Is Morgan home? Do you hear something? Because I don't know if she's home. I don't know. You've got really, wait, no, stop. You've got really good hearing if she is home, but I don't see her. I don't see her. Well, Benny, you think she's home too now? Now you're concerned? I don't think so, Bowser. I don't know what you heard. Unless she's taken a minute to get out of the car. You think she's still out there? I don't think she's home yet, Bows. You gonna sit and wait until she gets home? It is time for her to get home. You want me to go look? Should I go look? We don't see anything still? No Morgan? No Morgan. Okay, let me go look. Nope. No Morgan. She's not home yet, but it's very cute that he wants to wait for her. Okay. Bowser, she's not out there. I promise. No. She's not out there. She's not home yet, baby. She's not home yet. Okay? Finally, I'm gonna have to show you the video that Bowser heard something outside a few minutes ago. Thought it was you, and he would not leave the door. He thought it was you out there. I had to go out and tell him it wasn't you. He has been harassing me and biting my feet. Come here, you guys. Come on, come. What's wrong, Ben? No. What? What are you whining about? You didn't want to go in the car, so they left without you. Now what? You have to wait for them to come back. Okay, you can wait by the door. You can wait by the door, honey. They're gonna come back for you, I promise. What? They're gonna come back, I promise. I promise, baby. You wanna sit and wait for them? You wanna sit down? You want me to open the window? There you go, now you can look, okay? You can wait. It's gonna be a little bit though. Yeah. You gotta go in the car more.
What are you doing?
Elsa, who's that? Is that Grandma? He's like, she's old news now. She's old news now. Come on. We're friends now.
Yeah.
Oh, he wants you to rub his hips.
Hey, bye.
Okay, do you want a little something for your trouble? Maybe a little treat? Where's the treats? Show me the treats.
Oh, where's your treats,
Are these
Bowser?
the treats?
Yeah, they're in the top one.
They're in the top one?
No, the very top one on the left.
That's my
No,
treats.
those are, yeah.
Oh, those are...
No,
My treats.
back.
Those are my treats.
Those ones are his.
Oh. So what are these lovey things? He likes these? What are these? Are these it?
Oh yeah, the bone broth treats, he likes those.
Yeah. Good boy. Good boy. Yes, Joe, good boy. I don't care what they say. Look, you dropped on the floor again. How does the house stay clean when you do that?
It's hard.
I know.
You want to play with Grandma?
She's evil, be careful.
Bowser wants something from Grandma, but he gave her big licks.
Only blue.
Oh my gosh. Bowser, your head almost blocks her entire head. Were you giving kisses?
Yes, she was. I said,
A surprise kiss.
What do you want?
Grandma doesn't like kisses.
You want?
He's got a long tongue, just so you know.
He wants me to give him some steak.
She doesn't have any more steak.
No more steak?
No more
No more
steak.
steak.
He's like, I'll
You
just sit
poor
here.
thing.
Oh, he's gonna sit on my couch. Oh no, he's on the floor. Usually he likes to sit on the couch. Oh.
Look at your mama.
Is no one being
Give her a
nice to you?
kissy. Give her a kissy. You know? Go ahead. Kiss mama.
Can I have a kiss? Oh.
Yeah.
What are you doing, buddy?
He doesn't know what to do.
He says, nobody's paying attention to me and I want attention right now. Look at all these people.
I think he's very patient.
He is, actually.
Yes. I think you're very patient.
Oh.
You're very patient.
He's like, are you going to let me kiss you or not?
I know.
Bowser, we're getting lit tomorrow. I hope you know. Yep. Yep. It's party time. He says, where are we going? We're staying here and we're going crazy. We're throwing a party. Come on! Come on! Yay! Hi! Hi! Oh, don't fuck me. Also, look at mommy. Look at the camera.
We were crazy for turning down $1 million.
You're a bed hog. That's what you are. I love you too. I love you too. Yeah. But you like to be the big spoon, I guess. Bowser. Alright. Are you gonna get up now?
Hey Bowser, I think your mommy is coming home and Dad is also coming home. Yeah, they should be home in like 20 minutes, maybe? I don't know. Not right now. Not right now. We'll check back in, okay?
Hey, Bowser. Guess what?
I think, do you hear Mom? And Dad? Did they tell you they're coming home tonight? Did they tell you? I don't know. I thought they were coming home tonight. I don't think they would leave you guys another night to sleep alone.
Hey
Who
guys!
is it?
Oh, what's up? He's like, where's mom? Where's mom? Where's mom?
Yeah, he doesn't. Oh, bye! Jesus Christ.
Inside. Bowser, come on. Let's go to Bowser. Right back. Hang on.
Oh, poor Benny. Poor
love you. I love you very much. You're halfway on to bed and you're saying, I don't want to go night. Right? You want to go play? Or, yeah, but it's night. It's 11:07. Way past bedtime. Sorry, it's time to go to bed. Okay? Come up here. Lay down and let's go night. I love you. You already had your bone? Yeah. I'm not getting up. The begging is very impressive and it works most nights. You know, there's other people who say that their masters have nightly fits too. It's all the spoiled ones.
Oh, you don't like that.
I know, you don't call me spoiled.
But you know what?
He wants to play. I love you, Bowsy. I love you. Come on, Bowser. I know you can do it. You walked past him once. You can walk past him. Oh, come on, Benny. Benny's not going to get up. Oh, Bowser. Come on. Okay, let me help solve your problem. Let me see if I can pull the rug if I'm strong enough. There. I give you enough room? Remove Benny. Oh, you don't like your shadow on the floor? What is going on? I don't know. What? Come on. Here, what if I cover it with a rug? Hang on. There. That better? Yeah. That's scary. That's scary. Come on. Get in bed, buddy. Bowser, come on. Get in bed. Oh, now you want to go outside? That was stressful, I know. I love you.
Get it, Bows. Get it, Bows. Get it. Get it. I'm gonna come get it. I'm gonna come get it. Oh. Who's gonna get it? Who's gonna get it? Oh. Oh, I got it. I got stuff. Oh, go get it. You got it. You sure got it.